Another question, sir. How about the stiffness ng sapatos? Paano siya nakaka-affect sa comfort? Is it something sa comfort or pedaling power?
Okay. It's also a very good question. It's not always important to get the stiffest shoe. Okay, you have to match the shoe on the type of riding that you do. If you're riding mostly endurance rides, you want something that has enough flex as a balance of flex and stiffness. Kasi pag sobrang stiff ang sapatos, nawawala na yung feedback. Hindi na alam ng brain mo kung ano nangyayari sa paa mo or sa ilalim. Okay? Kasi hindi na gumagalaw, so mangyayari, hindi niya alam kung kailangan pa niyang stabilize yung paa mo or hindi niya na alam kung ano nangyayari every time nagpa-power ka. Unlike pag may flexing, nalalaman pa ng brain mo kasi gumagalaw yung fascia natin. Alam ng brain mo kung anong ginagawa ng paa mo. So, nakukorek niya ng tama yung sipa mo.
Alright.
Plus, yung gandahan doon is pag may konting flex, importante rin kasi nag-flex yung paa natin para sa correct blood flow natin. Kasi yung paa natin, it pumps the nerves, the same time goes up to the calf. The calf is very important for the heart. Kasi may malaking vein tayo doon na nagpa-pump ng dugo natin coming from the calf going up to our chest, to our heart. So, importante gumagalaw pa rin siya gano'n para sa gano'n, mas efficient yung blood flow natin sa katawan natin.
Alright. So
Pero if you're just racing, if gusto mo naman sa mga criterium, road races, well, you wanna have the stiffest shoe in the market para to help you with power transfer. But anyway, every shoe has their own specific, para it matches the needs of every rider.
Alright. Yun. Agawad, ano masabi mo?
Okay, good. Marami ko natututunan dito.